crash. This is alert 3. Crash, crash, crash. This is alert 3. Crash, crash, crash. This is alert 3.
Oh, shit. Where's the alert 3?
It is off the approaching the runway 33. Approaching the runway 33. Helicopter crash.
Helicopter.
Yes, copies.
Copy out this morning.
No.
Nobody clear.
Got it.
Where's the,
Are you right in the building? Come up here immediately. Crash, crash, crash. This is alert 3. 2 helicopters. Helicopter CRJ approaching the runway 33.
Where are you?
The approaching runway 33, a mile off final.
Sorry.
Get him out.
Alien Chief 301. Engine 30. Full flight 10. Full flight 7. Medic 301. Fire safety 322. Crash crash. Server 33 APA. On channel 3 limits.
Crash, crash, crash.
Stop. It's going for you, direct.
There you go, there.
Yeah.
BDSCI.
Reporting notified first.
Sorry, you said that was a Hilo and a CRJ?
No,
Sorry, this is operations. Was that a Hilo and a CRJ?
That is affirmative. Kilo CRJ, approaching 33.
Okay. How many souls on board?
We don't have any of that information.
One for taxi 301.
Our ops.
Yeah, go ahead.
Do we know what helicopter company?
Pat.
Pat?
Yeah.
Is that military?
Yes, I believe so. Army.
Okay.
One airport fire.
Battalion 301. All aircraft in the field for everybody vessels.
I was reporting a CRJ and a helicopter crash on the Potomac River.
Can we go ahead and hold all operations till we have emergency units respond? We're going to go ahead and show the aerodrome closed.
Yeah, that's affirmative. Hold all operations, aerodrome closed. You copy that off?
Copy that. No problem.
He advised 1533 flows on frequency.
No, click your way.
We just received a flyer. They said it's
Get out there.
Currently no visual.
You see the notified
fire being 5021.
the river to the scene?
Yeah.
They're notifying Fairfax and County.
We received notification of the aircraft in the river through DC Mike 1. Can you go ahead and dispatch us? Request to catch you.
Well, it's 501.
Don't be afraid.
Yeah, that was fun. It was good. Hey, well, I'll be clear one time. I'll have nobody said it's probably the point. Operations Officer 6, be advised you're going to be at the North Pole House.
Says, go ahead and show aerodrome closed. I'm issuing the note.
Someone was asking me a question.
Copy. You can disregard. Got a call.
Copy.
2055.
Copy that. Harbor PD is on the river.
Reported by the tower to be in the Potomac, off the approach end of runway 33.
Battalion 201 establishing a Potomac River Command, 2055.
April 5, go ahead and reach out to Park Police and have Eagle 1 and Fairfax see if they can deploy helicopters to serve as well.
Command, copy. Go for it. Easy harvest and route.
Do we know how many souls are boarding?
That is not MCF.
No full recall.
Everybody on.
Copy, thank you.
3755. Have you taken around the approaching?
Last unit.
Chief, I'm just trying to confirm if 375 has gone around the shoreline yet. It's very shallow here, so you might want to let him run that.
Okay. 376 underway with.
Boat 376 underway with 2.
317 underway with 3.
Boat 378 underway with 3. 2057.
Command from Fireboat 201.
Fireboat 201, go ahead and get underway. We're looking for a aircraft versus a helicopter into the Potomac in the area of Reagan National, what will be on runway 33.
Fireboat 3, we're on the scene. We're just east of the runway off of buoy number 9.
Fireboat 3 said buoy number 9 is where the crash location is.
We're going to be west between buoy number 9 and the runway. We're on the scene right now with appears to be 1 kilo, very serious damage. This is an aircraft. We're on the scene. We're on the scene of an aircraft. We're initiating search.
378 on scene.
Boat 378 on scene.
Fireboat 3, can you confirm do you have any victims in the water right now?
No victims right now. Tail number N709 P. Paul F. Sam.
Okay. Airport fire from Potomac River Command. Go ahead and start me the NCI alarm to Gate Delta at DCA.
Airport fire, okay.
And go ahead and let PD know I'm going to need a bunch of escorts to Gate Delta.
Airport fire, okay.
Potomac River Command to Fireboat 3 to DC have an assignment on this as well on your line side.
Fireboat 3 Command. We located 1 victim right now. We're establishing the river branch. There's a full water rescue assignment coming from DC.
Okay, and do you guys have EMS assets on that side as well? In reference to like a mass casualty alarm.
Boat 324 command. Tail number November 709 PS.
Engine 105, Engine 110, Engine 161 Bravo,
Engine 104, Medic 110, Medic 101, Medic 102, Medic 105, Medic 109, East M South 111, EMS 101, Engine 209, Engine 204, East 2. Box 30101. Mass casualty alarm. Runway 33 DCA. Runway 33 DCA. On channel 3 Charlie.
Do you have the information with channel number?
There was a lot of background. Can you repeat?
Command 76, call number 3 Trail Outlook.
River Branch Command.
River Branch, go ahead.
We located one victim. We're trying to remove him right now. PDOA.
Okay. What shore you bring them to? The best access from the airport side will be our boathouse. However, we do not have any transport unit. We only have one transport unit there right now. If you have an assignment on your side with multiple transport units, make the decision to what would be the fastest to get the patient out.
Airport 375,
All right, all river units. We've established the river branch. There will be fireboat 3. Unless you have an urgent message, please go to the river branch to coordinate.
On the 3 Trail Outlook for victim.
Command EMS 3. EMS 3, go ahead. And which EMS 3 is that? I got a lot of units on this call.
EMS 3 is right. I was just going to make a suggestion, try to make one central point. I understand you got 2 shorelines, but if we could use DCA as a landing point for all ambulance, funnel everybody in and out, make it easier with the hospitals.
Okay, thank you. Air profile from Potomac River Command. Go ahead and give me a command channel, please.
Air profile, okay.
And have all units from the NCI alarm come up on the command channel. It should be 3 Charlie.
Potomac River Command from Air Profile.
Now, do you have an assignment?
Go ahead, Air profile.
Are we switching to channel 3 Charlie?
No, ma'am. I need a command channel. Make it 3 Charlie.
Air Profile, okay. Command channel will be on 3 Charlie.
And have all mutual units come to DCA. Come up on 3 Charlie.
EMS 101 is responding.
Medic 101 is en route.
Medic 102 en route. Medic 105, same traffic.
Engine 110 en route.
Engine 203 on 3 Charlie.
Ambulance 411 en route.
Medic 204 en route.
Engine 205 responding. 3 Charlie.
Battalion 201.
Engine 201 responding.
EMS 201.
Medic 207.
I believe the boats are going to start bringing you victims. Please go ahead and prepare casualty collection point, please.
River Branch, boat 376. We followed the debris trail out as far as we can to the east. Unable to locate any further victims.
Command, do you have a tail number?
Battalion 301 from Medic Engine 105. Do you have a gate point access?
Top 6, go ahead. We have one DOA. Where do you want us to take that right now?
All patients, regardless of priority, for right now, can come to the north boathouse. All of the boats should be able to access the ramp to the side of the north boathouse.
Command from Medic 301 requesting permission to make an EMS channel.
Medic 301, since we don't have any other units right now, I'm going to go ahead and make you the EMS branch for right now. Get with airport fire on another channel and go ahead and create that EMS channel. Let me know what it is.
Copy. Medic 301 correction. Airport fire from Medic 301 requesting separate channel for EMS.
Medic 301, switch over to Bravo to get off this channel and request that, please.
Airboat 375, come up beside me right here. For this location.
Airport fire from Potomac River Command. I need representatives from PD and airport ops to the command post at the approach unit 33, please.
Command, could you repeat the location one more time?
Helicopter Fairfax 1 on 3 Lima.
Fairfax 1, go.
We're advised to go to this channel and help any way we can if you have any use for us.
Fairfax 1, get with the river branch. I believe that'll be DC Fireboat 3. And you all can coordinate tracking patients and I believe the helicopter and the plane we have not confirmed yet.
DC Battalion Fire Chief 3 to command.
Fireboat to the airport.
Alright, we got a lot of units in this channel. Everybody stand by. Battalion Chief 3 from DC, go ahead.
I've got 2 victims with me. Do you have a count of how many people were in this plane who I'm looking for? I have no viable survivors at this point.
I do not have a count yet. I will get back to you on that one.
DC Battalion Fire Chief 3. We have command set up on the DC side of the river. 5530 Arnold Avenue Southwest. Our fireboat is reporting 2 souls out of the water and on board their boat. We're trying to get some information about the airframe and a tail number if you have it, and a possibility of how many souls you have on board.
DC Battalion Chief, I got you. It's supposed to be a CRJ regional jet versus a helicopter. When I get back I'll get back to you with the souls on board. And the size of plane in a second.
Command, tail number, November 709, Papa, Sierra. Can you repeat that?
On channel.
Branch.
We've located a 3rd PUA removing from the water right now. We also have 1 victim entangled in the airframe, PUA. We have 3 recovered so far.
Branch, I copy. Can you maintain the count of how many victims or recoveries you guys pull out of the river, please?
At the intersections where the bridge is, because it's a lot of the ambulances and so they're trying to get through, and a lot of people are not letting them.
Direct, we need a unit for traffic control at 233 Bridge.
Also, be advised, I got animals everywhere here near the MTC. Where do y'all want me to send them or so?
Did you respond towards Gate Golf to access the AOA? Adam 33, can we have some officers at Gate Golf to escort those ambulances in?
31 Alpha, I'm here at Gate Alpha now. 31, this will be like, those units went straight towards to the arrivals area section. So if we have a unit down that way to do that, help them also with that.
30, say again.
With all of the river assets so far.
We got 3 out of the water from DC Fireboat 3, and there's 1 lodged in the airframe.
Copy that. 4 total. 3 out of the water, 1 in the airframe. Air profile from Potomac River Command on 3 Charlie.
Potomac River Command.
OBJ units assigned to the MCI alarm get to Gate Delta. Have PD escort them to the North Boathouse.
Air profile, okay. Escorting MCI units to the North Boathouse.
Take top 3.
River Command to any DC Battalion Chief on 3 Lane.
Go ahead, Potomac River Command.
For your information, there were 60 souls on board of a CRJ jet. River Branch, did you copy that as well? 60 souls on board, unknown of the helicopter.
Fireboat 2 copies, 60. River Branch copies 60.
60, that's correct.
River Branch, okay. Alright, DC Battalion Chief 3 to Incident Command. We now have a diver being launched from our fireboat location headed to the crash site. We have multiple units on this side of the river should you need us.
What was the last unit on 3 Lane?
DC Battalion Chief 3.
Can you read your message?
We have a diver being launched from our fireboat from Rescue Squad 2. They're coming downriver now to the crash site to meet up with our fireboat. And we have a box assignment here on our side of the river should you need anything on this side.
Okay, thank you.
Command. Air profile to command.
Command, go ahead.
What channel would you like Fairfax 1 on?
Fairfax 1 can come up on 3 Lima and coordinate with the River Branch.
Fairfax 1, we are on 3 Lima currently. 301 command.
Last unit, go ahead.
Chief Station 301, I've got bodies coming in here. What do you want and where do you want them?
Upstaff everything and bring it on down to the North Boathouse.
On the way.
Priority being the mass casualty support unit.
On the way.
Yeah, Charlie 1 and 2 next to each other. Charlie 1 is going off by I cannot hear the alarming. Charlie 2.
Copy. It's showing active on my end, Charlie 2. Did you want me to reset?
Yeah, you can go ahead and reset.
Copy. Charlie 2's reset.
Please take the MCI alarm units down to the North Boathouse and go ahead and start coordinating the EMS branch for me, please.
Alright, I'm your exit.
Charlie 1 is still going off.
Copy. You want me to reset?
Yeah, go ahead and reset.
Copy. It's reset.
Charlie 2 is secure. I'm back in service.
Copy. They're both reset. Thank you.
River branch from quote 376.
River, go ahead.
We may have located the helo. It's a different color combination. It's got a red and orange stripe. Can you find out if that might be the helo?
Yeah, I'm looking too, thank you.
When I'm able to get a SOC.
21, try 2211 30303.
Is it 30303, correct?
30303. Good copy.
Copy. I'm checking now.
Driver response, they confirmed that all taxiways and runways are shut down. So as long as they know the location to get to the North Boathouse, that's fine.
Alright, copy.
Copy.
Medic 301 EMS 303.
DC Flyer Battalion Chief 6 to Metropolitan Washington Airport.
Battalion Chief 6, go ahead and focus up and group command.
Yes, I'm responding to National Airport location to be a representative for our casualty collection area.
Okay.
You can add me in the event of DCA.
Airport Fire K 2121.
DC Battalion Chief 3 or 6, I'm not sure which one. Did you copy that number?
Advise, we're going to be staged out here from outside y'all's door if you need us for anything else.
Roger that.
Yes, ma'am. The mass casualty alarm was all dispatched on 3 Charlie or 3 Delta.
DC Battalion Chief 6 to NWAA. We're approaching airport location. Do you have a specific location for us?
You're going to need to make your way to Fire Station 301. There will be a gate Delta near that area. Or if you find a PD officer, have him just bring you out to the site.
Okay, I copy. The River Branch, about 378. We're near the airport, so I can be at ELO on this side of the waterway to coordinate.
If you need to speak with them, switch over to 3 Echo. Correction, 2 Echo.
I don't think I have that capability.
Copy. Resetting now.
2. We're too busy right now in recovery, and we need to get some of these MWAA assets started searching. They're all tied up, wrapped it up while we need to be out here searching. So if the captain can get that orchestrated, we're going to continue our search.
We've been doing a grid search back and forth coming up. We've got a few victims. We probably get one more wrap to go drop off. And then the Coast Guard and 201 have the crash of the helicopter.
Copy that. Fireman 2 will now have the River Branch.
We'll take the River Branch. And do you need anything, or do we need to do anything with the fuselage, or are we going to let the airport handle?
We've searched the fuselage. We found one person in the airframe still. The wrapped up NVIDIA airboat are over there right now. We're going to take an expanded search around the airframe.
Okay. Just so you know, if you go south about 200 yards, be careful. There is a wind in the water.
Airport Fire, go ahead.
Let's try and get a rundown of these units. Give me everybody.
Contact Arlington, see if they can send us a couple units. We'll meet them over at the MTC, and I'll have a unit go ahead and escort them over here if they can come on out.
MPD unit, are you direct?
I'm entering the airport at this time.
Respond to the MTC and they'll have someone escort you.
31 Alpha, I'm in route. 2126.
301, phone 301, phone 310, phone 311, safety 322, fireboat 2, engine 105, engine 209, engine 205, engine 203, engine 110, engine 201, engine 161, engine 161 Bravo. Then we have safety 402, battalion 201, mass casualty 503, mass casualty 301, battalion 507,
Mass casualty 300. Chief 303. Deputy Chief 402.
The other units, I'll have further information when I'm ready. 41 around. 42, copy.
Copy, 4142.
Direct. We're the three boats moored together off your starboard side. On the far side of three.
Copy. Okay, thank you.
Units as well.
Medic 301. Medic 110, Medic 101, Medic 102, Medic 207, Ambulance 411, Medic 105, Medic 209, Medic 204, Medic 109, Medic 203, Medic 427.
David 5.
David 5.
Just for record purposes, that was 41, 42, and 30, correct? 31 as well. 27. Correct. So if you can put in the CAD, that'll be 41, 42, 30, and 31, dispatch.
Copy 5. Do you want me to make a call for the station as the location?
Correct. We're going to be heading out to DCA in about 5 mics. You can just hold us en route to that in about 5 mics. I'll let you know when we leave.
Copy.
11 will be available for any additional calls just for backfill until midnight's response.
Copy, and you're on the call as well and responding?
Correct.
Copy.
Runways are closed. We need some lights here set up at the shore, please, that are pointing into the water. Can you bring them out here to the runway 23 EMAS, please?
Okay, give me just a few minutes. I gotta go to the firehouse, make sure the big refrigerator's turned on, and then I'll head back over and get some lights.
Roger, thanks. 2130.
What's on the program command for my profile?
What's on program, Tango?
Do we need another mass casualty unit?
No, not at this time.
Air profile, okay.
No, 4. Command medical group. Medical bill.
Yes, sir. Just confirming the entire airfield is closed.
The entire airfield, all taxiways and runways are closed.
Copy, thank you.
Available unit with a car.
34 en route.
We're en route to Baker.
Nora wants to dispatch.
One car.
What channel is the incident on?
We're on the regular channel.
Copy. I want this on Echo, please. Dispatch, can you ensure that there's a dispatcher on the Echo channel as well?
We already have someone on Echo. 04, we were told to switch from the channel because of the other units from other agencies. 42 to 5, we're all out back.
River Branch, boat 376.
5, I have the call in.
The last unit calling, please tell me where it's at.
Are you ready?
We were looking for River Branch.
MPD Cruiser 8900. MPD Cruiser 8900.
From boat 376.
Stand by.
River Branch from boat 376. We're having maneuverability issues with all of our boats connected together. Boat 375 and Metro PD boats are going to plan to head to the North Boathouse to offload bodies. Boat 376 and boat 375 will be remaining in the area for search.
Potomac River Command from my profile. You're 23 minutes until your incident.
Go for River Branch.
Communication safe, he'll be able to respond to vehicle gate Victor.
Before you try to reach me.
River Branch from boat 376. I was just trying to give you an update on our plan. 75 and Metro PD boat are going to the North Boathouse to drop off the bodies. Boat 376 and airboat 375 are going to remain in the area for search.
River Branch copies.
Copy, I'll call that. Copy, 1237.
Command from ambulance bus 427.
Sorry.
We're here. How do we get access to the runway?
We're now staged at Fire Station 301. We'll call you in a minute. What's your unit number again?
Ambulance bus 427.
I just want to keep a running count so we can try to account for everybody.
Okay. Command Medic 302, stage at Fire Station 301. Please organize staging there. Remain on 3 Charlie. Acknowledge.
Okay.
02, acknowledge my message.
Copy.
Yeah, we got 3 North 3. North 3. North 3 might be on that effect.
21, hit's been sent for Fairfax PD, Baltimore City, and Baltimore County.
Alright, thank you.
2139.
Command, you have
from boat 376. Are you still good with us heading to the North Boathouse for body drop-off, or is there a better location?
Yeah, I thought you were good for the body drop-off. We're going to go drop off our victims, and then we're going to return back.
All right, where are you dropping yours off?
I thought we were on North Boathouse.
All right, we'll stick with that plan. Just make sure command knows to expect it.
Yeah, I thought command had that. I also knew they were talking about an alternate at Capitol Cove Marina, but I haven't heard that definitely yet.
River Branch from command. Just now, while we do not have any patients on the airport side for your count. And if you have an updated count of victims that have been taken to the DC side, could you update me on that, please?
We'll get you an update on that in a second. I thought all victims were going to the North Boathouse this time. I think the airport boat has several victims. We got a couple coming up to the North Boathouse right now.
Okay.
So someone go over command from for fire. Go ahead.
River Branch should be on.
River Branch, you can stay right here on 3 Lima.
River Branch, okay.
Hey, River Branch to command.
Local command 300. Switch to 3 Charlie.
3 Charlie.
River Branch.
Yeah, I'd like to put River Branch on Mike 1, Michael Charlie 1, due to MPD assets, mutual aid for the River Branch. Put everybody on Mike 1.
Okay, that's fine. We'll give you an announcement then.
And you want me to stay on here for your command channel or 3 Lima for your command channel?
Command channel is going to stay on 3 Charlie. Command communications.
River Branch. Confirm 3 Charlie.
1243.
There's an announcement on 3 Lima. Marine operations will be switching to DC Mike 1. Mike 1.
Name is 24. Disregard. We just got a call.
Over.
1243.
That's affirmative. We do show that.
Okay. What was the other gate you offered to American Umar? I think you said 49.
49.
Okay, 49.
The command the battalion buggy.
Direct. Approach N33.
Aircraft over to 49.
Copy, what type? Top CNI, can you give us a landline?
Copy that.
Command from 378. Go ahead. We're approaching the North Boathouse with 4 victims. We'll need medical care for 1 responder. Cut in.
I'm approaching the end of 33 with, I believe, 5 light towers.
EMS branch to Medic 101.
2 up.
162.
There should be some ops personnel there to help you with setting things up.
Okay, Officer 8 there. Officer 8, yellow 162.
We've established our casualty collection point. The land address is going to be 1724. 1724 South Capitol Street Southeast. That's going to be River Right, first pier south of the South Capitol Street Bridge, otherwise known as the Frederick Douglass Bridge. It's going to be MPD's heliport pier.
Copy that. Casualty collection point 1724 South Capitol Street Southeast is the heliport.
That's correct. Command from boat 378. We're going to approach the north side of the North Boathouse to drop the bodies off. Copy that.
162, Officer 8.
EMS branch, do you have a account for victims that have arrived at the North Boathouse?
At this point, I do not. I will get it for you. I'm set up a few hundred feet away from the boathouse myself.
Okay.
Okay.
Airport fire from Chief 303.
Chief 303.
If you would for the incident DCA, mark me on scene the DCA and I'll be reporting to the command post. Correction to the LESC airport ops.
Airport fire, okay.
We know, just stand by.
Sounds safe. Someone call out?
In case anybody asks, command is set up on the south side of 33 EMAS.
We'll go.
Adam 356. I'm north 20. I'm prepared for duty wherever I'm needed. I have cruiser 316.
Adam 520. Same traffic.
Some confusion on the DC side of things. I've got a number for you to reach the command post directly.
So we've got DC reps at the command post. They can reach out directly to their reps.
Okay. It's Chief McCoy on the DC side.
Copy. Can you relay the message that we have a couple midnight units that are prepared for duty and give us whatever they need help with?
Okay, y'all stand.
What?
Okay.
Nor 1 to North 3.
21, we're faxing over the paperwork now of what we have so far.
Correct, thank you.
Phone there.
Command Medic 302. Command Medic 302 or any unit at Station 301.
Command, this is Engine 303. We just arrived at Fire Station 301. Go ahead.
Man, give me a rundown of what you have there. Units and personnel.
Stand by. Let me get it figured out and I'll let you know.
All right, I'll stand by 3 Charlie.
Airport Fire EMS branch.
Go ahead.
It was, yes, sir. If you could make a call to Fairfax County to see if you can get a rehab unit assigned to this incident. And also airport operations to see if we can have a non-transport bus just to keep our providers warm.
EMS 303, go through me with that request. What do you need? We have personnel from command post that may be able to handle.
My apologies, sir. I thought you were stupid. I need a rehab unit as well as possibly a bus to keep people warm in the interim. There was also a request made from Mustang chiefs as the airboats are not able to get the bodies up and stuff.
Last name calling.
Disregard.
I'll give you a call.
All right, you got the first one at 49?
Yes, sir.
Copy. Did you somehow get a flight number for me?
Yes, sir. One moment.
MCSU at the boathouse.
Okay. We did grab those, but I do not believe we have the numbers.
Okay, so you need that as well.
Yes, sir.
That's branch from EMS 201.
Can you repeat? EMS 201, go ahead with counts.
Sir, just take it slow so I can get it all.
Okay. Engine 301 Bravo is in service. 4 personnel. Medic 301 Bravo is in service. 2 personnel. I also have at least 3 personnel that have been recalled and are on their way to Fire Station 301 to assist with staffing additional apparatus. They all have varying ETAs.
Okay. If we can spare one person, get in a utility or anything that can drive, gather all the Mustang suits out of the lockers and then the south boathouse and bring them to the north boathouse.
Okay. We'll start working on it.
22 to 4, that's car 3. Car 3 is trying to get in contact with you.
Get on Officer 1.
Cruiser already. Yeah, that's fine. Standing by with him. Director, you guys are good to stand by there for that. The other mobile units, if you guys can return. 2 David 6. Do any of the base units have a cruiser? At 24, I'm the only one left. I'm on my way. Correct.
Hey, Jeff, which gate do we have available that we're going to be moving this gate, this aircraft to, please?
All right, let's go to, we're going to start with the Romeo ramp. Let's go to Romeo 7.
Roger that. Roman 7 for the 737.
Go ahead.
Yeah, we got a little low, waiting on another inbound boat. So far, 8 victims have been removed.
All right, I'm direct. If you could switch to 3 Delta for me, 3 Delta.
Copy, 3 Delta.
533, operations.
Operations.
Do you need any more light towers?
Well, if you got more, bring them.
Copy that.
EMS branch, if you can go ahead and request some more sheets. We'll need a lot more sheets. But when I started having these units grab their sheets off their units. Copy. Let's go ahead and strip the medic units that are on the scene for now. Just instead of trying to keep the request down to command. Yeah, we're doing that now. Just give me a heads up. Thank you. All EMS units on 3 Delta. If you need sheets, grab them off your unit until we get some more.
We're coming back with 5 more trucks.
Air 45 G3, Air 43 Bravo.
Yeah, 45.
And G3 afford the incident DCA. I'm switching to 3 Lima.
27, what available units you guys?
I'm having issues raising River Branch. Just wanted to give you an update. We are working on supporting the Metro PD dive operation and entering the search pattern nearby the RJ wreck. We've had about 8 or 9 victims pulled, and we're continuing to assist with those efforts. We have multiple units here and appear to have the wreckage covered except for heavy equipment.
Copy all.
103.
Repeat that.
We could be on Echo. Dispatch to 103 Echo.
103, I'm on the phone.
On the phone. As soon as you get off the phone, I'm planning on asking him.
All right, copy. Do you want me to bring you a tablet so you've got mobile view to see where everything's queued up? We've got them queued up on Zulu and Kilo.
He has their version of that pulled up here.
All right, copy that.
Cops off street.
Good.
What's our total count for diversions at this point?
14.
Copy. I'm coming in the south side now through gate 313. I'll be in the office in just a few minutes.
Copy.
Operations officer.
Hey, guys, I'll be the incident commander for this incident.
103 Incident Command. Incident Command is on Echo. We have a unit. We have a dispatch covering. South 89.
Good.
American 589. That's a 737. We'll be next up on Bravo 49.
589, copy.
Hey, what dispatch?
Go ahead.
I'm 25 minutes out. Where's the location of the incident command?
103, what's your location for the Incident Command?
Southbound, right?
Nora 1, we're going to be near the North House.
3 North 4, command.
Command, go ahead.
I was told that there's plane parts coming up towards the boathouse. I have not seen them. How do you want to handle that?
Stand by for a phone call.
At this point, I got 7. Mustang shoots have arrived from 301, so we're going to get people in those.
Okay, do you need any additional resources at the
No, so if you get the rehab started, Nick can come here. And also some sort of bus just for warming. That should be good for now.
We've already made a request for both of those. And if you could go and conduct the accountability check all units at the Northwest.
Okay, I'll do a part check for you, sir. And I will say probably another 20 minutes if we have not found any survivors. I'm going to start cutting loose some of the EMS task force with your permission.
Yeah, we'll make a decision on that. We'll get back to you.
Copy. Medic 101 from EMS branch.
Medic 101, forward to North Boathouse.
Copy. I'm also checking if you treated and released the MPD officer with the injury.
Patient was treated and released.
Copy, thank you. Engine 161 from the EMS branch.
Go ahead for Engine 161. Sorry, dude, that was me asking if 162 was still ringing. I'm trying to make space for him.
Engine 110, Park. Engine 205.
205's par.
Copy, engine 201.
Engine 201's par.
Copy, engine 203.
203's par.
Engine 209.
Par before it, Doc.
Copy, medic 105.
Medic 105's par at the boathouse.
Copy, medic 209.
Par with 3 at the boathouse.
Medic 109.
Par, boathouse.
Medic 203.
203 par at the boathouse.
Copy, medic 411.
Ambulance 411's par at the boathouse.
Ambulance 411, thanks. Medic 110.
Par with 2 at the boathouse.
Medic 204.
204 is par at the boathouse.
Medic 101.
Par at the boathouse.
Medic 102. Medic 102 far at the boathouse. And Medic 207.
Medic 207 is par at the boathouse.
Copy. EMS 101.
EMS 101 is par at the boathouse.
And EMS 102.
EMS 102 is par at the boathouse.
And EMS 201.
EMS 201 par at the boathouse.
Copy.
Yes, please.
Okay. Ops 3, Ops 6. Go ahead, Ops 6. I have the buses at the north boat dock.
Roger, stand by for them. Carrier moved into the command center in the big vehicle. He is the one with the information directly from command.
Copy that. I'm going to go back to Gate Victor and get another bus.
Gate Victor, you said?
Correct.
Go ahead.
All right, all units assigned to the MCI alarm and 3 Delta Airport.
Copy that.
Also, total count is 8. 1 treated and released, NPDO.
Copy that. Total count 8.
Hey, are you available to pick up Selena from 141?
I'm about to tow this aircraft.
Copy, disregard.
Engine 161 and Engine 161 Bravo are all par with 4 in the boathouse.
Copy. Thank you.
204 command.
Airport 5 from EMS 381 from Bravo.
Airport 5.
What's the command channel for command?
CAN 422. Box 30101. Mass casualty alarm. Runway 33 DCA. Runway 33 DCA. On channel.
I need these units, and I'll escort them there.
Every unit should be staging at 301 right now. Who specifically is trying to move?
Give me 1 second. It's a command officer of some sort. Give me 1 second.
Okay. Anything else? Coordinate with the officer of Engine 303.
It's going to be an Airbus 319. A319, copy.
I don't see anything on video. I'm resetting.
Okay, see you, Engine 301 Bravo, Medic 301 Bravo, Ambulance 427 and Medic 302 there.
I have not seen Medic 427. I just had a pile of boats pull in, and we're having them stage here until we hear further.
Okay, those units were instructed to the South Boathouse. Just confirm it's Fairfax's Swift Water team, and they're going to the South Boathouse.
That's correct. It looks like Fairfax's Swift Water team. I'll coordinate with EMS 381.
Very good.
Ambulance 427 is arriving on scene.
Yes, copy that. Is that an encumbrance? Let me know if we need to reroute that.
As of right now, it's not posing a problem.
Copy, keep us updated.
Did we get confirmation? Are there people on the DC shoreline, or is everybody coming here?
I have a reset. Okay, sir.
Hey, Jeff.
So far.
Hey, Cole, these RJs, all these Blue Streak RJs have been here for a while. Are those going to be the next few that come to gates?
Officer was just talking to them. It sounds like PSA did not inform them they were diverting, so they're last in line for gates.
Okay. If we can get accurate on ground times, we just got to keep track of the long tarmac clock for those.
Okay, I'll start making a list here.
Good. Yeah, I've got all the lists of everything. I just want to make sure that they're aware of that. And if we need to use additional gates, just let me know.
Okay, thank you.
Copy. Command to dispatch.
Go ahead, Command.
Please do a roll call on this channel. I need to know what units are on this channel.
Okay, you want to know what units that's actually on this tag, not on Echo, correct?
Yes, ma'am. I need to know all my resources that are on this channel that are attached to this incident.
Communications to all units that's attached to this incident that's on this channel, acknowledge.
1 North 12 Alpha.
Adam 520, I'm still on tag 1.
What's your unit number? What are you tonight? Communications to all units, all officers that's on this tag. Please acknowledge what you're assigned for tonight. Command would like to know who's actually on this tag. I need a roll call.
1 North 12 Alpha, I'll be at Gate Alpha.
Have you at Gate Alpha, sir. Thank you.
10 Alpha, I'm random, assisting with escorting units through, and also with traffic. No prison.
3 North 23, you're available for calls, correct?
Yeah.
Command, as of now, I have one.
To Command, do you want me to get all the units off of 2 Echo onto this tag?
Communications to Command, I have 3 units as of now. 1 North 12, that's at Gate Alpha, Randall doing traffic control, and 3 North 23 running calls for the airport.
3 North 25, I'll be available for calls as well.
Which unit available for calls?
3 North 25.
3 North 25 available for calls.
This is Mobile Command 503 at Gravely Point.
For fire copy.